Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about central banks and cryptocurrencies. So we are in the point of history when cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are growing in popularity, and it is obvious in my opinion that the central banks are going to change the system, and they are going to use decentralized ledger technology. So I want to show you one video from the central bank of central banks, the Bank for International Settlements, based in Basel, Switzerland. And this is the video, so let's watch it from here.
The world we live in changes fast. Financial technology, or fintech, is changing the way we interact with banks. In a not-so-distant future, fintech may fundamentally change how the financial system works. Naturally, this will have consequences for the work and role of central banks in the future. One of the most talked about innovations in this area is that of the so-called digital or cryptocurrencies.
What is a digital currency? Digital means bits and bytes, so it's currency in electronic, rather than physical forms such as banknotes. Technology is rapidly changing the way we pay, but it's important to go back to the essence of money. Money is all about trust. Trust is hard to gain, but easy to lose. One misstep, you lose trust, your money's worthless. That's why central banks have spent significant effort to gain and maintain the public's trust in it. Over time, private forms of money have come and gone, but issuing currency is a core central bank function. The COVID-19 pandemic has increased interest in digital currencies as an alternative to physical money. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are digital currencies issued by a central bank and backed by people's trust in it. Some central banks have been experimenting with CBDCs already, and the BIS, along with them, is thinking about the optimal design of CBDCs and how they could be interconnected in a global world. Central bank digital currencies combine innovative technology with the tried and trusted foundation of the central bank.
But there is more to fintech than cryptocurrencies. New technology may radically change how our banking and payment systems work. Thanks to the internet, offering financial services like taking deposits, providing credit, or managing bank accounts no longer requires a costly network of bank offices. Yet fintech can also hold new risks.
All this capacity to target customers can be used for purposes which are not approved by customers, like, for instance, for political purposes. And that will require close coordination between financial regulators and privacy and data authorities to make sure that different objectives are well balanced. We've got to think about the kind of public goods that we have to provide as central bankers to make this new environment work in an effective way and in a stable way. And that's why the BIS has created the Innovation Hub, which will develop a portfolio of projects that can help central banks build this new system in a way that is stable and efficient. It is about both understanding developments around us.
So they're building a new system, guys. Listen carefully.
Understanding new technological solutions, understanding what the market is up to, but also about developing our own projects. So it is both a think tank and a laboratory.
The Innovation Hub's mandate includes the monitoring and research of financial innovation. Centres are already operational in Hong Kong, Singapore, Switzerland, London, and Stockholm, and more are to follow soon. The BIS Innovation Hub consists of a number of centres set up with local central banks across 3 continents. In short, the key is to take full advantage of all the benefits fintech has to offer in a fair and sustainable manner that benefits everybody.
Basically, central banks are building a new system new global financial system in which they are going to use blockchain technology. And of course, you know that these CBDCs will have to interoperate with each other, and here come Ripple and Stellar. You know that they are partnering with central banks, they are partnering with governments, with the IMF, with the Bank for International Settlements. And here, because of that, I want just to go through some articles, just through the titles. We are not going to go into details, but look here, Republic of Palau partners with Ripple to develop digital currency strategy. Ripple liquidity hub for the enterprise. A real approach to cryptocurrency regulation. They're even giving guidelines on how to regulate cryptocurrencies. Machine learning on RippleNet, developers building on the XRPL and CBDCs on the XRP ledger. Ripple joins the Digital Pound Foundation, designing a path for a CBDC forward future. Bhutan advances financial inclusion and sustainability with Ripple's CBDC solution. CBDCs unlock endless fiscal policy options. And some things about the Stellar network. This is from the SDF blog. Understanding CBDCs, a guidebook for regulators and policymakers. You know that Stellar, they are also partnering and working with the IMF, with the Ukrainian government also, and they are also giving some guidelines on how to regulate cryptocurrencies. They are trying to educate regulators on what actually blockchain technology is and what this technology is capable of. So another title here related to Stellar: Moneygram International launches a new pilot on Stellar. So a partnership, you know about this partnership between Moneygram and Stellar. This is really big. You know that also IBM is partnering with Stellar, fueling the financial industry with open source cross-border payments. This is from October last year, an article on the IBM website. Untapped potential for a cross-border payments network. This is a cutting-edge network for cross-border payments utilizing the Stellar-powered blockchain network. The core value of this network is to address the cost and friction in cross-border payments. So really great stuff, and I'm really excited for the future and for XRP and XLM, because you know that XRP is in the center of the XRP ledger, and of course XLM is in the center of the Stellar network. So guys, don't get distracted by FUD, stay focused, and remember that XRP and XLM have great potential. In my opinion, they're going to be in the center of the new financial system that is being built right now. So stay focused, hold, and I know that you're going to be rewarded. This is not a financial advice, of course. Okay guys, that was all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video. See you next time.